Hello everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how AI can write your blog post. So for this tutorial, you're going to need any AI tool. So it can be ChatGPT, Bard, or any other AI tool you have, and you're going to need somewhere to write your blog in. So at first we're going to have to go to our AI tool. In this tutorial, I utilized Bard. Although there isn't any significant difference, there are slight variations in response times and writing style. So let's say I want to write a travel blog post. Let's write me a travel blog post about Japan and why to travel there. Then, AI will write your blog post with whatever you want included. AI just wrote my post. Let's copy it and bring it to our post creator. Now, let's paste it into our post creator. Great job everyone! Today, you learned how AI can write your blog posts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next upload.